There are a couple of minor annotations we haven't discussed yet that may come in handy when you write unit tests. The first one is named @displayName, and you can use it to specify your own name for the test or a given nested inner class. Let's try to put it on the following method, and we're going to use @displayName, press Ctrl space, and inside the brackets we're going to provide sample method display name. Okay, if we now run the tests, you can see that the customized name is displayed. Excellent. We can do the same trick for an inner class @display name, and this time let's say sample inner class display name. Let's run the tests again. And you can see our own display name is used. Okay. Another interesting annotation is named disabled. You can use it to ignore a test. Such a test will not be executed and it will never fail or pass. It will be simply skipped. Let's add this annotation to our method and run the test. @disabled, press Ctrl space, choose the one from Jupyter API, run the tests, and there we go. One skipped, and if you now take a look inside, you can see that the test was skipped and not executed. All right. There are also some similar annotations to ignore tests under certain conditions. I'm going to show you one of them, which is @disabled on OS. Press Ctrl space, and now inside the brackets we need to specify a certain operating system on which the given test will be ignored. I'm using Windows now, so let's try to write os.windows, and if we run the tests again, you can see that the method was skipped. Okay, let's now change it to something else to see if it works. OS Linux, for instance, and now if we run the tests again, you can see that the test was executed normally. So, these were some useful annotations which you can apply to your unit tests.